So your true self, I think like the practice of Avatar is to get in touch with your true self, right? And make decisions from that place of like gnosis and knowing of what's right for you. Or is that
I
a
think
mischaracterization entirely?
I think that that's not bad at all, actually. So, like looking at the first weekend, it's called resurfacing because he was a diver, the guy that wrote these things. And so, when you resurface out of the water, it's like the big effect of resurfacing weekend. It's like you're a goldfish swimming around in a bowl of your water, of your reality, and you can pop out of the goldfish bowl and say, oh,
Yeah.
that's what I've been creating. And it's that first aha that then lays the foundation for the deeper part 2 and part 3, right? But it's like a big awakening as well. And so I like that image. There's all these particles of creation, if you like, that our creative energy gets stuck in these clumps, right? There's these clumps of stuck energy. Or I had this image the other day, which is like you're clearing out your weed field of super overgrown lawn of your psyche, right? And
Yeah.
there's all kinds of really cool books and stuff and amazing practices out there that it's kind of like a weed whacker, and a lot you can maybe do on your own and things, and there's a lot of growth that can happen. And you're like weed whacking away, and it's like, hey, it's so much clearer. From my point of view, one of the ways where Avatar is very strong is like when all of a sudden you're weed whacking and there's this giant like tree stump or something in the way, and the weed whacker is just not going to do it, and even the chainsaw is not working, like, and or the riding mower is not working, and it's like, how do I get rid of this like clump? And because I've done all this clearing away of the stuff that was a little easier to clear away, now I'm like, what the hell do I do with this? Because you could say the tree stump is a pattern that's so impermeable to your own thinking about it that you just can't seem to make head nor tail of it. So the mixing metaphors is, or the crossing to another metaphor is, it's the water you're swimming in. It's the intangible reality that's so. And so when we encounter these loops like that, these stuck places where it's like, the harder I work, the worse it gets. Or like, the more sincerely I try to get out of it, the more I feel stuck. It's like, it's like I feel kind of trapped in this miasm or something. And Avatar is just really good at that. And resurfacing is really good at just like popping you out of it. So it's like, you go, oh, wait a minute, that's me as a goldfish swimming around in the bowl, and I can stop that now.
Yeah.